As a video editor, I tend to need to use the keyboard every day, every hour, every minute. Okay, so every video editor needs a keyboard. And for me, I have went through a lot of keyboards. This is a special cat keyboard. And I've somehow ended up on the Akko 5075. Cool. And having a keyboard that feels good while editing makes editing less boring, and it really makes me feel more creative, I guess. It fuels creativity, gets me that creative zone. And if a keyboard that feels this good, it lets me work on my edits for a longer period of time. I actually have the silver switch on this. So this switch is fast and it helps me type faster, and yeah, it's great for gaming, man, I tell you. So Akko 5075 gets you to win games. That's it, pure simple. So Akko actually did come with its own switch, which is this purple thing, and I think it's pretty okay. And here's the audio for it. So this keyboard is really compact for TKL, and the key layout is what makes it compact. Firstly, there's this knob, which helps to adjust the volume, which is pretty cool. You have these 4 keys at the side lined up vertically. You have your home, page up, page down, and end. Additionally, you have these arrow keys, which are kind of separated from the rest of the keyboard, which makes it harder for me to accidentally press it. Another good thing is that I can use it on a Mac and Windows at a flick of switch, but I typically just keep it under USB. So there's a kickstand as well, with 2 levels, which I actually don't really use. I usually just leave the keyboard flat on the table. That aside, there's cool RGB in case I feel funky, and in case if I need to see anything in the dark. So for the Akko 5075, it's very easy to set up. I didn't really do much. I just put in switches, I tape modded the back of the board, and that's it. That's all I did, and it works fine. I don't have to do any like special modding like other keyboards. And yeah, so far it's been great. It feels fine, it feels good, and there's enough weight to it, which is great. Anyway, that's a quick review, and I think everyone should get it because it's cheap, because it's affordable, and you can really just customize it however you want. For me, personally, I just put silver switches because they're fast, they're great for typing, they're great for gaming, and yeah, it feels great. It feels great, and everyone should get it as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. That was just a quick review of this keyboard, and here are some ASMR stuff, how the keyboard sounds with the silver switches. Thank you!